But first, Richard Reed breaks down your rights during an encounter with ICE. Rich.
Well, Lindsay, most of us are familiar with the idea that schools, hospitals, and houses of worship are sanctuary spaces where ICE agents have limited access. Our homes are also considered safe spaces. It turns out where these agents are allowed access is pretty complicated.
Let him go! Let him go!
We've seen federal agents near schools, in streets, neighborhoods, and in this post by a state representative at a Richfield Target.
What happened with this current administration is a game changer.
We wondered where ICE agents are allowed to stage operations and make arrests.
Can they go inside of a building? Do they have to stay out on the sidewalk? How does that work?
It more has to do with public spaces that are open to the general public or private spaces.
Legal experts say agents can operate in public spaces like sidewalks, parking lots, parks, even grocery stores and restaurants.
If there is not an expectation of privacy, and that is a public area, then agents may enter that space without consent.
Immigration attorney John Medeiros says some areas do have that expectation of privacy. A grocery store might be considered a public area, but there are private spaces too.
The shopping area where there are doors that say personnel only beyond this point, at that moment, those are created private spaces because there is an expectation of privacy there.
An ER patient treatment room, not the lobby, could be considered private, Medeiros notes. Likewise, school classrooms and offices would need consent from people inside for an agent to enter, or a warrant signed by a judge.
The private areas that are sort of like behind a door that are not accessible to the general public, those are private areas that you would need permission in order to enter.
Finally, what about your home?
Particularly if you're in your own home, you do have the right to refuse to open the door or to not allow them to enter your residence unless they have a judicial warrant.
But our legal experts say there are exceptions. To get a warrant, agents must present evidence they have reasonable cause to believe there's illegal activity. And there are circumstances where that can be argued after the fact, Lindsay.